going to be showing you how to make chocolate dipped strawberries and marshmallow kebabs. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to the sink and wash our hands. So what we do is we turn the tap on warm water, wet our hands, and then we put soap on them and we wash our hands thoroughly. And how we do that is we sing happy birthday to ourselves twice. And we've got to give them a real good wash around all our wrists and our nails. And then once you've done that, and they're really clean, we don't want to spread germs to each other, but we need clean hands for our cookies. We rinse them off with all the soap and everything off them. And we turn off the tap. And just down here I've got a clean towel and I'm drying my hands to make sure that they're dry and all the germs come away. Okay, so over here I've already melted some chocolate for us to dip our strawberries in, and I've already washed the strawberries, but I've left the green bits on so that they're easy to hang on to when we dip our strawberries in the chocolate. Now Mum and Dad are going to have to help you melt the chocolate, okay? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, and in front of me here I've just put some little special things out here. So we've got some rice bubbles, hundreds and thousands, and some little pearl, white and gold pearls. And so we can dip our strawberries in some of those and we can leave them plain. So, and I've put a piece of paper here so we can put the strawberries on there to set. So all we do is we just dip our strawberries in, we hold them by the green things. It's very easy to do. And then we dip our strawberry, we shake off a little bit of the extra chocolate, and then we dip them in some rice bubbles and we just pop them on the paper and they'll start to set. So, and we just keep doing that. I'll just do a few because I've already done some, and then I'm going to show you how to put them on the skewer. So we just dip them in, shake off the thing. There's some hundreds and thousands. And you can see how I'm tipping up the bowl so that the chocolate all goes to one end and then it's a little bit deeper, and that way it's a bit easier for all the chocolate to gather. We can just leave some of our strawberries plain if we like as well. They're very nice, just chocolate dipped strawberries. So we'll do a few of those and just pop them down there like that. And I'll just do one more of each one just so you see how I did it one more time. So pop them in the rice bowls. You can use Cocoa Pops or your favourite cereal, or you can just do them in some white chocolate chips as well if you like. Whatever you like. I just like to do a mixture of things. So, and then we'll just do one more hundreds and thousands. And one more. And as you can see, they're starting to set already because it's got a bit cool now. But to set them quicker, you could just pop them in the fridge on a plate until they're ready. Okay, and here's one. Okay, so we'll just pop that to the side. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to actually show you how to skewer them. Now a skewer is a sharp stick, but Mum and Dad will be able to help you do this so that you don't hurt yourself. So what we'll do is we might put one, I've got these cute little bunny marshmallows, and so you just push the pointy end through the little rabbit, and then we might do one of these ones. So we pick it up and we just squash it. So we just push the skewer through the strawberry, and then we do it again. And so we might put a little pink bunny, we push that through as well, and we might do one of these nice hundreds and thousands one. And then to finish it off, we'll put one more little bunny marshmallows. Now Miss Perry bought these bunny marshmallows at Woolies, but you could just use any normal marshmallow if you like. Or if you don't like strawberries, you could do banana pieces or whatever you like. So that's what they look like. It's really easy and really yummy and a nice treat to eat.